Yes,
Yeah,
started.
thank you. So see here, last class what we actually Saturday also I'm waiting for you, but you're not joining. So see here, last class what we discussed. Pushkar,
Yes. Hello.
I'm not able to hear your voice properly.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, last class what we discussed.
We
Pushkar,
discussed. Yeah.
yeah. Hello.
Yeah. I'm looking that.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm asking you what did discuss. I'm just typing. What
Where
we discussed.
we discussed the role and multi-role and how we define the role to the attached to the user.
Okay, so we're discussing singular and composite.
Yeah.
So now here I want to one situation here. What is situation here? Sir, I want to creating as a one user ID,
Hmm.
okay, and I want as a some transaction. I want to creating as a one role from that transaction like SU01, SU10, SUGR, SM50, something like that. Okay, I
Yes.
have to giving us some transaction code. Again, I want to creating as a user two also. Okay, I want assigning some role from the user ID. Now what I'm doing, again I'm assuming as some transaction like SM50, SM51, okay, and SM66, and okay, SU01, and something like that, like SM30. Okay, now both the roles, okay, both the user IDs, roles, and what are the common transaction we'll be having here? What are common transitions could we have?
As a role.
What are common transaction code for this for two user IDs?
SU01.
So SU01 is the common transaction code. Okay. For example, now I want to log on to user one, and now what I'm I have to go for transaction with SU01. I have to enter the user ID two. I can change the password of this. So I have to change the. I can log them. I can unlock them. I can delete them also. At the time, what happened? Because both are working in the same server. Okay, both are working in same server and both are having as a same transition with us. Then what happened? Even for example, he is also doing. He is also go for SU01 transaction code. Then he is also enter the user ID one details. Again, he what happened? He can delete this user ID. He can log this user ID. You can change the password for the user ID. At the time, what happened? Then what happened?
The
Okay,
class. Yeah.
there is no security between the these two particular.
User.
There is no security for this. Okay, there is no use now. You are creating any use, any role. You have to create the roles. Any use is there.
No.
First day can discussing. I want to creating a one user ID. I want to create full authorization. So how to get a full authorization? Profile
SAP and
SAP underscore all. You can get the only basis console and security console will be having this authorization. Okay. Now our situation is, sir, I want to stick in this. So I want to go for particularly. I want to stick to that. We can use it as a role concept. It's like after this, you can discussing as role concept. Again, in role, what purpose of create a role? So I want to stick with that particular user is practicing as a few transaction codes. So you can using as a role concept. Okay, again here, the two roles, role one and role two will be having as a common transaction code. At the time, what happened? One guy can be doing a one guy is taking as other guy access, he can deleting it, change the password, and it is following. So that's why what we'll do. So this concept is clear, but what we do, what is the solution for this? Oscar, what is the solution for this?
we have to be given removed from role 2 as a SU01.
No, not role. Role you have in common. You don't have role. Even transaction cost
Currency.
is asking why. Is asking why I want to put compulsory SUG1 access. Both are in compulsory access. So at that time, what we'll do here, only in a real time, only will be hanging in overall icons. So you want to get the overall icon for only one guy. So second guy, what we'll do? You want to get the only display activity. Remaining on us, what happened? So he having SUG1 access, but he want what activity?
Only
You want to only display activity. Clear?
yeah.
Okay. In SUG1 icons is the create icon, change icon, display icon. So one guy will be having as overall icon. Some guys will be having as for normal operation. Like only how to be the display. That is a solution for this. So how you following this is nothing but before you want to go for, you want to know the architecture. You want to know the SAP architecture, SAP security hierarchy. Okay, SAP security hierarchy. Then you can understanding that what a hierarchy is following. Will be go for one by one hierarchy. Okay, so why the transition code starting with SLS letter? Why the transition code is starting S letter? I will explain it. So we have starting compulsory S letter only or anything. So now will be go for. So you want to understand hierarchy, then only understanding a security. And case security will be having this hierarchy only. Guys, listen, this is a very, very important topic. In real time, you want to providing as any authorization. So this is the concept, based on this concept only. So already told us, so you want to practice in SAP software compulsory, what we require? So you're requiring as a transition code. So without transition code, what happened? You cannot navigating from one screen to another screen. Okay, sir, what is meaning of transition code? Mushkar, what is meaning of transition code?
A shortcut to access the
Yeah, it is shortcut to accessing the particular application.
yeah.
It's a normal language. Okay.
Yes.
Here coming to technical language. So what is meaning of transaction code is nothing but. So transaction code is nothing but collection of authorization classes. What we call?
Collection of authorization classes.
So what is meaning of class again? Class is nothing but normally again call class is nothing but module list here. Okay. So why the just now discussing now why the transaction code like a module that what are technical modules are here? Above module and basis module, the transition code starting with T letter. Sorry, starting with S letter. Maximum. Okay, I read. Okay, this transition code starting letter. S is nothing but okay. This is either above transition code, either basis transition code. Okay. Suppose when you go for fractional department, suppose FICO transition code. Okay. So what is FICO transition code? FICO transition code starting letter is F letter. Okay. Transition code. Transition code starting with M letter. Okay. So maximum all that functional module that starting letter based on for example, finance transition code FP01, FP02, the transition code. We can practice also. Okay. And even MM module. So MM01, like MM02. What is this? These are the modules, sir. How the categories is nothing but in calling as security, what we call, you can calling as a classes. What we call classes. So now I want to provide a security for basis class. Now I want to security for finance class. Suppose I want to security. I want to provide security for MM class. So class wise means module wise. You want to provide it using as a classes. Again here, what is meaning of class?
What is the MM?
Yeah, tell me. Material management.
Okay, material management. Okay.
Moduling. Moduling. Okay. So again, what is meaning of class? Okay. Class is nothing but collection of objects. Again, particular class. Again, which one you want to restrict it? I want to restricting as a group wise. Okay. I want restricting as a profile wise. I want restricting as a role wise. I want restricting as a transaction code. Means particular object. Object is nothing but you can say normal. Just one thing linked to the particular. Again, what is meaning of object? Object is nothing but collection of fields. Database language you can calling as a columns. Okay. Again, now our target is activities, authorization activities. You can calling as authorization values also. Okay.
Okay.
So these all are coming to the particular transaction code. Means who are create the transaction code is nothing but ABAP consultant who are designing the transaction code, who are assigning as a this overall including this. Okay, this transaction for department, this transaction for basis department, this transaction code for this. Sir, where we see this overall is nothing but you can use the transaction code SU03 or SU121. You can able to see the class, object, fields, and field activities one by one. Okay, so this overall will be assigning. You can assign to the profile, and profile can be assigned to the role. Role can be assigned to the particular user ID. Okay, this is the hierarchy you want to follow. So we see the practical also again. So transaction code means nothing but collection of these all classes. Okay, object. The class is nothing but a collection of object. Object is nothing but a collection of fields. Fields is nothing but a collection of authorization activity. So these all are you can assign to the particular profile. So how to get access to the particular you can assign the profile concept or else role concept. So previously what we do, we want to create the user and in role you can restrict it. Or else you can get the profile also you can restrict it. Okay, still now we're in the second stage. Okay, till now we're discussing a user and role. Now you're discussing as a these things one by one. Okay. That is our target. Means now I want to go for activity level security. Okay. So will we understand this? Will we go for one by one? Hear this?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. You can understand, then only understand the practical session. Okay. Now I want to make a presenter you. Please share your screen now. Now log on to a particular user ID, full access guy.
Okay.
Yeah, go for SU01 transaction code. What is user ID login? Yeah, session is expired. Again login, no problem. Maximum tile me session, then it's over. For SU01, I will explain one thing. Go for SU03. No problem. Okay, no, just wait. So just now discussing as a one thing. What we discussed, you're discussing as a the class object and reading the tool. Okay.
Yeah.
So now just wait. No problem. So just go for create one user ID. Will we go for later? Just create one user ID. Yeah, enter any one user ID. Click on create button. No need alias name. Click on create button. So how to restrict this particular user? You can creating as a role. Then go for transition code PFCG.
PFCG.
/n. You want to navigate from one screen, so you can use /n. Before you can starting a /n.
Then I have to go. I have to read the PFCG or here only.
Yes. PFCG. Then PFCG. Continuation. /n is a new tab, like you're opening new tab in your new session. Okay. Then enter the role name, Jed underscores, Jed caller, and anything should be in Jed. Okay. Jed underscore, Riaz underscore sec. Underscore security. Click on create a row. Create button, yes. Now get a short description. Yeah, short description. Okay. Now go for menu tab.
Remove.
Okay. Now add the transaction. No need, no need. It's not a mandatory. You have to directly add the transaction. Add the transaction. Transaction is that there is a add button only.
Here?
Transaction is there. Just click on the transaction code. Yes.
Sorry.
Now SU01. Only one is fine. Now I want to sticking SU01 only. With SU01. Now click on assign the transaction code. Yeah, just click on below one. Only one. Now when you understand for previous diagram what I'm explaining here, you will reverse. Just go for reverse. First of all, you want to go for user. User go for role. Role now consists of profile. Now where we go for profile? Now go for authorization. Now go for authorization. Okay. Now here below what happened? Now what we do? You want to generating the profile. Profile consists of, as per your diagram, profile consists of object, concepts, everything. Okay. Now what I do by default, some standard data is I want to customizing as per my client requirement. That's why you're doing as a change authorization data. Okay. Just click on change authorization data. Now click on S button. Now see here below what happened, loading the authorization fields. Okay.
Can I do
Understanding the book.
Can I do things in the daytime practical server?
Yeah, a 24/7 is up. No problem for that.
Okay.
There's no restriction. It's a 24/7. Anybody can access. Okay, just wait. So this is the overview of this entire security is involving. Just wait. So previously you done only role creation. Now you have to go for in-depth level. Okay, I'll tell you entire SAP security is involving this screen only. Okay, now go for main menu utilities. Main menu utilities tab. Expand that. Just click on technical names. Technical names. Now what we getting? You're getting a something A, B, B, C, and S. What does that meaning is nothing but the orange color is there. That we go for the definition. What is AAP? Is nothing but cross application authorization. So what a purpose is standard one. What a status is successfully done. So the reverse after standard. What it is? These are standard. By default is getting. So how is those are getting is nothing but in menu tab you are saying as SU01 transition code. That SU01 transition code consists of these classes.
Minimum
Okay.
this class.
Sorry, classes is A, B, BC underscore A, BC underscore Z, HR. These are the classes. Okay, sir, I want to see overall how many classes is there in entire SAP. I want to checking. So how to check is nothing but create a new session. Create a new session. I want to know that. So yeah, /o SU03. Already told. So where you see the classes, object S. No, not N. Because of I want to. So you want to do practical next time, na? So that's why you're using /o SU03. Okay, now this is one. So what are those? See here, what is the purpose of this transaction code? Maintain the authorizations for profiles. The profile consists of these overall classes. What are classes is there? Yes, so many classes is there is nothing but modules. So these are the modules, bases. Suppose even what is the basis module naming starting with? BC underscore A, BC underscore Z. Suppose go for MM module, go for HR module, where the HR module, where the HR class is located. HR, EH module, where the HR, EH, finance department also there. Where the finance department, FI. What is meaning finance here? FI is the finance, that's the class. Again under finance services, banking services, basis, GST. Below is HR, GTS also the global trade services. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. These are the all classes. Okay, so these are MM. So go for MM. What is meaning MM here? Material management. Scroll up. MM sales distribution. Okay, PP production planning. These are the module list. Okay, means you are providing as a module by security. Okay, now double click on any class. Class consists of as got a destination. Class consists of object. Okay, just double click on it. We're getting as a list of object. Any class is consists of it as a number of object. Double click on it. Double click on mm underscore p is better, not the description. Just double click on it. It's not getting anything. That is now it's loading.
Count statement में
Okay, now so what happened?
returnable
So class consists
account.
of yeah.
That is a sub.
J.
This is sub. We can call it
Sorry?
subclass, or we can.
No, no, object. This is see the field name. What is field name here? To the column is. Okay. Object. You can calling as object.
Object list.
Okay. Yeah. Authorization object. Again, object consists of as per the hierarchy. Object consists of fields, column names. Just double click on anyone. That is security hierarchy. Okay, again double click on this is the authorization. Just double click on again. Okay, now we're getting at the fields. What the field name here is there? AVCT. And field consists of authorization values. What are authorization values here? Star. Star is nothing but full authorization. Suppose you have 01, 02, 03, will be there. See, this is the overview. The hierarchy is satisfied or not?
Satisfied.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now go for change roles. Now I want to restricting as a basis class because I want to restricting SU01. Okay, S means nothing but it's a basis class only. Now you want to go for that. Change roles. Already you have opened the change roles now. Just understanding purpose, I want to open this SU03. Now go for PFCG transition. Already you're open. Change roles. Below is there. Na? Change roles.
Where it is change room?
Below. Already you open one more session. Na? No. Already you're open session. Already you're creating the role. Na? Starting in between. Yes. That one. Change roles. Not this. Next one. No, not this. Not this. Below is there, na? Below. Already open one more screen now. Previously, you want to create the role in between everything as a. Which one? Yes, exactly. Okay. Now, so the transition code, SU0 transition content, these are the classes. What are the classes here? A, B, BC underscore A, BC underscore Z, and HR. Okay. So these are the classes. Again, expand the class. Class consists of expand any class. Expand. No, not here. Left side will be having as extension button is there. This is so the standard. Suppose you got changing the status also getting changes status. Now green color is there. So here S underscore T code that is called as a object. Okay, authorization object. Again, expand object. What a purpose of that green color text is that is the one. Okay, now again, what a field will be there? That is a profile name, not that. That is a common profile name. Okay, what a field name here? TCD. That is a field name. So, no, last one. TCD, last one. That is a profile name. Yeah, that is one. TCD. Okay, and next one SU01 is that is your transaction menu. That is called as value. Okay, that is called activities. Okay. So class consists of object consists of field consists of values or activities. Okay, now what we do? Sir, in SU01, I want restricting as a, you want to get only display activity. Then where we go? Then you have to go for BC underscore A, basis administration. Expand that class. Maximum all basis use restrictions go for this class only. Now we have this all authorization object. Okay. So again here, S underscore USL underscore AGR. What is the purpose of the authorization object? See the text. Green color is the text. What is the purpose of that? Okay. That is for role restriction. Okay. Next one, S underscore USR underscore. No need to extend it. Just erase it again. I want to explain it. Just one. Okay. Next one, S underscore USR underscore AG. That is equal to role check. Okay. No need. Next one, this you want to restrict the roles. Now what happened? Next one, authorization issue. Next one, S underscore USR underscore GRP means I want to do the group one, user group restriction. Okay, group wise I want to do the restriction, not single basis group, security group. I want to do the group wise security. Okay, next one, S underscore USR underscore PRO. What is the purpose of that authorization object?
Profile.
Restricting as a file. Okay, S underscore USR underscore SAS is nothing but system specific assignment. Okay, S underscore USR underscore that one is, what is that meaning? So means is nothing but
System
so
for
system
central user management maintenance.
means now SU01. What is the purpose of SU01? Now I want to sticking user. Then which authorization object you want to selecting? You have to selecting as a S underscore USR underscore GRP. Expand that S underscore USR underscore GRP. Expand that. Okay. Now that authorization object. What are the how many fields is there? That authorization object. You have two fields. What are two fields will
Active
be
and
there?
class.
Activity and class. So ABCD is for activities. What are the activities will be there?
1, 2,
0, 1,
3,
0, 2.
4.
Those are the icons. In SU01, what are the icons will be there? Now click on change button. So I want to give the only display activity. Change button. Yes. Now these are SU01. These are the icons. See here,
Wow, oh my
object name,
God.
field name. Okay. And this is the activities. Okay. Now I want to give you guys only display activity. Give the display only. Uncheck remaining all. Okay, lock also. Only I want to get a display. Remaining all, if you do anything, is getting as a you are not unchecking everything. Yes. Now click on save button. So now again below one, sir, which user I want restricting. So here below next one is then you have to specifying as a group wise. Again click on change button. Which group I want restricting? Is a basis group or security group? HR. Browse it from and to. Here what are the transitions you are to creating? So everything is getting one by one. Just click on browse it. Okay, these are the group. Previously, we were getting, sir, now I want to creating a Raji, but user ID is not available in any group here. Because now you're not assigning any group. If you have assigning any group, you can do the group that. Okay, that group consists of that user IDs is okay for that. Okay, now what happened? That user ID Raji and that user ID is not available in any group. Now I want restricting every group and putting as a star. If you want to string particular group, you give it a particular group name. Previously, you're creating one group now, so that group is not creating anything. Just close this. Understand the situation here. So
Yeah.
you want to stick in a group, then you can do that. You're putting a star. Everybody I can restrict it.
If you can put
Star.
this.
Stars. Yeah, stars. Star is nothing but everybody can restrict it. Now click on save. It's done. Simple. Just click on save button. Can I click on generate button? No, not here. Then just go for. Now see the status. What happens? Status changes will be automatically changed. Click on generate. Now this role can be assigned to the particular. Just go back now. Okay, now go for user. User.
SU01, no?
User. No. Yes, user tab here. User tab is there. You want to assign this particular role to particular user ID. User tab. Red color is there. Till red color is there. User tab. Authorization next tab. Yes. Now do they enter the user ID? What is user ID? HG. Enter button. Now do the user comp. Yellow color is nothing but partially maintained. Do the user comparison. User comparison. And complete the comparison. Which one is?
Okay.
Okay. Now click on save. Last and final step. Okay. Now check the output. Now log out to ready user ID. Check the output. Okay, now go for yes. Now go for SUG11. Just click on it. Automatically it will go for SUG11. Okay, directly can is initial screen only. You can type it directly. Now enter any one user ID. You can create one more Rajiv 1, Rajiv 2. Click on the create button. No problem. Anyone user. No, I'm not doing it. Click on the create button. I do anything. Create or anything. What happened?
You're not authorized to create the user.
Why? Because
We restricted star.
yeah. No. You're restricted. What is the activity you want to give? You give the only display.
Yeah, display.
Okay, display only possible. If you do anything, even delete again. Click on close this. Click on enter the user ID Raji. Already exists. Just click on change button. I want to change the last name. Again, why is it?
You are not authorized to change it.
Again, if you do anything, it's not working. Only display is working. Click on again display button. Display button. So display is working or not? Only display is possible when he's creating when he last checked user. Okay. And go back. Even deletion also.
Can I try?
Yeah, try it. No problem. It's not working.
Okay, you are not authorized.
Yes. Again, click on copy also. Locking also. Okay. And even change the password. Okay. So this is the way how you want to restrict in depth level. Now what happened? So that guy will be egoist clarified. He's having his SUG11 access, but he having only SUG11 in display icon only. So this is the in real time we have to follow this is the way how we follow level security. Okay. Again is mailing. So hi Mishkar, now I want to change icon also because now I want to changing as in my last name. Even I want to changing as my password. Then what will do? Again is mailing after a few months. After a few months, he's again mailing you. Hi Mishkar, now I want to change access by my user ID.
So you have to reopen
Okay.
this.
Yeah, go for that particular role. You can go for that particular role. Yeah, changing role. Now go for authorization tab. No, there only. There, not change this. Go for authorization tab. No. Change is there. Change. No, not here. No. It already opened. The screen is there. I say already.
This one.
Yeah, that changes. Go for authorization tab. Now click on change authorization data. You give the display. Now I want to ask me is again is asking. I want to change also. Again click on. You can just click on technical names and yeah, all of the status is changed. Again out of this, which one is correct? Change the status. Change it one. Yes. Okay. Yes. Actually, you want to go for technical name. Technical names are every time you can should be on technical names are. When you come into this, you have to should be on technical names are. Now change the activity. Yeah, you can change. Now with the change it. Again save. Again generate. Every time generation is compulsory. Okay. Then go back. If you do any changes, compulsory. Now check the output. No problem. Now check the output. Directly go for check the output. Save button and check the output. Now check it. Now is able to changing or not. Only change is there. Only change icon. Change icon.
Yes, you can.
Able changing or not. Okay. So this is the backup we want to provide. Sir, I want to restrict one more transaction also. Now you're using STG1 only, na? I want to restrict one more transaction also. Okay. Now go for transaction code. Again, go for that particular role. No, change here. Go for menu. Go for that. Go back. Again, he's asking, sir, I want SU01 access. I want to give only display active. Again, you want to get the mail. Again, generate one. Generate again. Again, go back. Go for menu. Add one more transition code. SUGR.
SUGR.
Add the, add the transition. Just click on add the add button. Add. Yes. SUGR.
Internet user group.
Now click on assign the transitions. Again, I want to see this transition. Go for authorization tab. Click on change authorization data.
Generate.
Again, go for menu. No. You want to change this now? You want to get the display activity or you want in SU0, I want to get only display. Technical names on. Just click on technical names on. Go for menu and technical names on. No, main menu. Technical, yeah, that is all. Utilities. Expand that. Utilities. No, utilities. Technical names on. When you come into this, your habit is compass. Okay? Not technical. Now, what is our question object? S_user_grp to restricting as a users with your groups. Now expand that. So we have two status. One status is the old one is for SU0 restriction. Now new one is the SUGR restriction. Again above one. Again click on change authorization data. Click on change the activity. Only give the display activity. Change it. And select all. Only give the display. Below icon is in after save we have unselect all. Add icon below. Select all and select all.
Which one? We want to only give the display.
Okay. Yeah. Save it. Okay. Now below again restriction is star. Below one is star because everybody can restrict it. I don't any group name, so I can restrict. No. That below one. With the full authorization is full restrictions. Save it. Okay, now click on generate and check the output. Click on generate, save it. Now check the output. Go for that Naji user ID is acting as SUGR now. The SUGR, what is the icon is acting only on. Go back. Now use the transition code slash n SUGR. Slash n. SUGR, GR. Already SU0 only, na? GR for group creation. Now enter any group, click on a create button. Any group name. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6. What error is it?
No authorization to create the group.
Then select any existing group. Click on change the button. Remove that. Selecting as any existing group. And click on try to change the button. You get a change also. Only display.
Maybe it's no 03 and star.
03 is nothing but display now. Okay. Now check it. Why is 03 is working? Is anything you have to do any changes? Actually, when you're changing or you're getting as errors, you will not change it. Last one.
No, it's not allowed.
Is there anyone Nazi user ID? Click on Nazi user ID. You cannot do anything.
You cannot do anything.
Last one, fourth one. select the port. Now we can add it. Okay. Raji, enter button, enter button. Is added. Actually, it's not added. Just click on save. Actually, getting an error is you're not authorized something. Click on save button. Okay. Click on display now. Yeah, group was changed. Actually, you will be the only display. Just click on again. Display icon. I will check that. Display. Display is possible. You and deletion, just go back. This is the only you're getting output actually. Click on deletion button. Okay, no authorization to deletion. Okay. Again, now I want to stick in SU10 also. Again, go for that particular row. Particular row. Where we go. Again, go back. Generate. Every time generation compulsory. Now go for menu. Add one more transition to SU10.
SU10.
Now I want to string SU10. Single one restrictions is same thing you have to go for SU10 also. No need to separate restriction. Okay. Now go for authorization. Click on change authorization data. Click on S. Okay, go for it. Just click on technical names. Again, go for expanded BC underscore A. Again, expanded BC underscore that S underscore ESR underscore GRP. Expand it.
One more came.
Yeah, now we can do changes. Just click on change the activity. Give the only display. Click on save. 11 is star. Directly the yellow color star is automatically getting star. Again, generate button. Now check the output. So for Raju user ID, now is accessing SU10, but you have only display authorization. Now enter any one user IDs, user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, like that.
No.
Click on create button. No, click on create button. You want error. Error is required. So what happened? What error is there?
Some users are lacking authorizations. They are excluding from the further
authorization. Yeah. Okay, you don't have authorization to create it. Okay. Here try to log also process. Enter any existing user ID. Multiple user IDs like Rajiv 1, Mushkar 1, Mushkar 2, Mushkar 3. Yeah. Select every user ID. Now click on lock symbol or unlock symbol, even deletion also.
not authorized.
Again, what happened? We're not authorized. Okay. So next one. Sir, I want to restrict the PFCG. I'm not able to clear the role. That is a matter. Again, go for that one. Add one more transition code. Roll, changes. Yeah, go back. Generate and go back. Now go for generate again. Generate and yes, exact. Now go for menu. Add it at PFCG.
PFCG.
Okay. Sender transition. Now go for authorization. Authorizations. Change the authorization. Close this.
Oh, it is.
Close. Now again, go for it. Just click on technical names. Now what is the authorization object? Now we do the role restriction.
Mm-hmm.
Now using different authorization object. Expand the base underscore a only, but object is different. For the object here, s underscore usr underscore agr. Age is second one.
Authorization
What
rule.
is this? Authorization for roles. Expand that. Okay, now give the only restriction, only display. In the role, what happened? Create button, change the button. Unselect all.
Select
Below
all.
an icon is there. No. Already below an icon, unselect all is there. Say after say we have the selector, unselector. Yeah, unselector. Yeah, unselector. Now give the display. Now click on save. Now which role you want to stick to? Every role I want to stick a star. Star means every role. I want to try to create any role, it is not able to create it because of. So you want just click on again generate and generate again. Yes. And now check it out. There you go. Go for transition PFCG. Not here. Role restriction is able to not creating a role also. Go for slash and PFCG. Enter the role name. Jet any role name. Jet underscore something role name. Click on create a row. Click already is any one putting as a 1. Click on create button. Create a row.
Okay, create a rule.
See what happened?
Authorization.
So what we do, you do the only display. So if you want to follow overall steps one by one. Yes. Okay.
Can you have
Sir,
some? Can you have some
yeah,
document for practical?
yeah, that's only that's how I will do. Once you have to test your mail ID. Actually, previous also I had forgotten. Previous actually Saturday also I'm waiting for you
No, I
for
was Saturday.
class.
Saturday I was online.
Okay, but why am same charting will be there? I mean also there.
No,
Recheck.
then they told me send a mail that there is no uh, class. They send me mail.
Saturday is there.
No, sir.
Then
They
you
send a
say
mail. They send a mail me. There is no
okay.
class. I have a mail.
I think it was a not contact with me also.
No, wait, that only 1 minute.
Yeah, that's why you have directly mailed to me. Okay.
I don't have your mail ID, sir. No.
Just now I'm sending also.
Okay.
I have to find my materials also. Now any queries and any document directly contact with me. Again, this third party is nothing but those are sending somebody else.
See, there is no class will be there, and the Monday class will be there. They send me.
Okay, and now I share the material. Please check the materials. So case study also is there. .com is the code out in just that's the name.
Now you send me mail.
Your mail ID is .com is there.
.com.
Code out.
Maskurs@gmail.com. Maskur2001 yahoo.com. Any of one you can.
To check it, you get the mail ID.
And Gmail you send me.
Yeah, Gmail only.
I didn't receive anything.
Just refresh it once. Nothing.
No. MASHKURS.
Okay. I'm copy and pasted directly. That's so you have to practice this case study. If you have any question, please ask. Tell time how the users will be creating, how the mail will be getting to email ID.
Can you send me this email ID?
Yeah, Yahoo was checking. Both are using both. I'm sending both. One is yes. Be checking both. Wait, Gmail also checking.
Yeah, Gmail also not okay.
Why is not getting this forwarding only?
Okay, can you send your in the chat your email ID? I will just ping you.
1 second, 1 second. Just see here. Just now only 2 times I'm sending that mail. This is just now I'm sending. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah, I can.
So this is what just now I'll forwarding to. I said to check the study. Here in the for that. Just to general. What is it? Yeah, both. Both the mails.
Yes. Maybe
13 attachments. Again, I'm sending.
it is going to
Okay.
spam. It is going to spam. Wait,
Sorry.
it's going to spam.
No. It's not. It's a directly. Na, it's forwarding only. Na?
No, it is going to spam mail.
No. It's a direct. You can test the mail. Test mail. You can form. So you have to send to mail to me. Just mail me. I am sending like a very best just change mail.
No, wait, sir. This your mail is something in your laptop. Somewhere else virus is there.
My system.
Yeah,
What virus?
some virus is there, and it is when you coming to my system, and
Okay.
it has a security. Then it is not allowing to come me. It is showing me.
It's a Gmail. Na? It's my laptop. It's not, I'm not uploading this file. Already uploading is there. Already uploading. Just I'm forwarding. I'm not uploading newly. Okay. Please check. What is it getting? And then get the agenda.
I will show you. See. See, your mail is going to be spam category.
Okay, okay. Maybe I think multiple members are and forwarding. That's right.
Okay. Just now it's I okay, because okay, I will download all the things and I will try to practical tomorrow.
Okay. Even how will just take the how much you getting then?
Which one, sir? 13 attachment.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.